Enjoying your sausage? You enjoying your sausage, Seren?
She better be safe there.
Run! Run, Daddy, couldn't go with you there.
Protect Seren, please.
That's it.
Like that.
All over, red river. Are you going to eat your sausage now?
I want another sausage. It looks like it's making stuff in the air to me. Is it making stuff in the air to you? It's lasted a long time, this one. That made me jump. Don't do that one again. It scared me. Where did it go?
In the sky. Did Seren like that one?
I didn't want to look into the sky, it scared me. Click.
Look up in the sky. See the stars? There's 5 stars. I think they can watch from the window and you can do the rest of them. Okay?
That's what makes flutters to me. There must be something that's doing it. Oh, yeah. Mine nearly stopped there. Oh, no.
All over.
Mine lasted longer. Mine lasted longer when I had it before, Seren. That's strange. Go inside. We're scared of it going towards us and the noise, really. Well, that's I cried. I'm ready to go to the window.